Wang, we're going to start with part 12, okay?
Yeah.
Because we need to focus on that. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No.
Have you ever registered to vote in any federal, state, or local election?
No.
Have you ever voted in any federal, state, or local election
No.
in the United States?
Yeah.
In the United States? Did you vote in the United States?
No.
Did
I
you?
born in Taiwan.
Okay, good. That's good. Do you have any title of nobility in a foreign country?
No.
Have you ever been declared legally incompetent?
No.
Have you ever been in a mental hospital?
No.
What is a mental hospital?
Mental. Okay. mental health 就是the head is have sick. Yeah.
Yes. Very good.
In hospital.
Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
Do you owe any federal, state, or local taxes?
No.
Do you pay your taxes every year?
I wish my daughter pay tax join tax.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are
every year.
Okay.
On time.
Are you retired?
I'm retired.
Do you have income?
No income.
Do you have a savings account in the United States?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
So you can financially take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I'm retired. I no income. And so my daughter together enjoy join taxpayer.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to ask you about your memberships.
Yeah.
Have you ever, do you belong to any clubs or organizations or groups? No?
No.
I know you go to church. What is the name of your church?
Church.
Your church.
Yeah, church. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Have you ever been a member of the Communist Party?
No.
What is the Communist Party?
Maybe foundation. Maybe fund. Maybe then.
Okay, no. So I'll give you an easy one for communism. Communist Party is the government party of China, Vietnam, North Korea, and Cuba.
Oh, thank you. Communism. Yeah, party. It's one party.
Mm-hmm.
One party. As North Korea, Cuba.
Wait.
Yeah.
Taiwan is not communist. Taiwan
不是
is
China.
China.
Yeah, China is communism and North Korea, Cuba, and Vietnam.
Very good. Okay, now let us continue. Have you ever been a terrorist?
No.
What is terrorist?
Can you repeat it?
Sure. What is a terrorist?
恐怖啊
Huh?
恐怖
yeah, terrorist party. Terrorist 就是说use violence to control people or government.
Okay, very good. Terrorist, yeah. Okay, have you ever been involved with genocide or torture?
No.
Have you ever killed somebody or tried to hurt somebody?
No.
Have you ever tried to force someone to have sexual contact with you?
No.
Have you ever stopped somebody from practicing his or her religion?
No.
Were you a part of a military unit in Taiwan?
Can you repeat it?
Sure. Did you serve in a military unit in Taiwan?
Military.
Military, in the army or the navy?
Yeah. Military. I was then Taiwan training.
Okay, can you show me
your
your paper?
Okay. Thank you.
This is my paper?
Yeah, military.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it says that you were here for 3 months in the military training?
Yes, I have 3 months treasures. My government law. Every man 20 acre, 21 to 35 and master go to military trained how to use gum and Weibo.
Very good. So that's a good job for Taiwan.
Yeah.
Okay, so you served you did your training and then you went back to university, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, have you ever worked in a prison or jail?
No.
Okay, very good. Have you ever sold or smuggled weapons?
No.
Have you ever forced a child under 15 to become a soldier?
No.
Okay. Have you ever been arrested?
No. Been
Have you ever been arrested?
No. They arrested. Yeah.
Have you ever been in jail?
No.
Okay. Let me continue. Have you ever been a habitual drunkard?
No.
What is habitual drunkard?
So drink too much alcohol in every day, and sick.
Get sick, yes.
Sick.
Have you ever sold or smuggled illegal drugs?
No.
What are illegal drugs?
Illegal drugs is broken law. Poison. Example like heroin, opium, and so on.
Okay, very good, very good. Did you marry someone to get into the United States?
No.
Do you marry two people at the same time? Okay, just one time. Do you gamble illegally?
No.
Do you?
No.
gamble?
Yeah. So pay money. Which example casino? Yeah.
Yeah, that's gambling. That's legal gambling, but illegal gambling is you don't pay taxes.
Oh, don't pay tax.
Yeah. So.
Oh, 应该
casino
money,
you pay taxes.
Pay about. Oh yeah. 就是 casino you pay tax.
Yes.
Okay, no pay tax illegal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Have you ever lied to the U.S. government?
No.
Okay. Did you ever serve in the United States Army?
No.
Okay. Do you support the Constitution?
Yes, I do.
What is the Constitution?
Supreme law of the land.
Okay. Do you support our form of government of the United States?
Yeah, I do.
What is our form of government?
From a government? Okay, I'm sorry, people.
Sure. What is the United States form of government?
No.
Okay, so our form of government is democracy. Taiwan is a democracy. United States is a democracy.
Yeah.
Germany is a democracy.
Yeah.
China, Vietnam, North Korea,
Communism.
and Cuba. Yeah, it's very good.
Communism, yeah.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yeah, yes.
Or are you willing to take the oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
What is an oath?
Oath, just promise.
Okay, and what is allegiance?
Loyal.
Okay, very good. If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on the behalf of the United States?
I'm waiting.
Okay, if the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services for the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I do.